And I want to say, Kalonzo, you are a cursed man. Late Mulu Mutisya cursed you. And if you want witnesses, I will line up witnesses to testify. When Mulu died, he was not in talking terms with you, despite the fact he's the one who made you to be who you are and to reach where you have reached with the assistance of some of us. When Paul Ngei died, you cannot give evidence one day Ngei has ever visited in one of your offices. And when you used to hear that Ngei is around the building that you used to have your government offices as a minister, you used to order askaris to make sure that it does not come close to your door. So sooner or later, I'm going to write things and say things about you. I will invite members of the press now and tell Kenyans who you are, because I promised Kenyans to tell them who you are.